All right, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. Today's video we are working on, well obviously it's right behind me, we're working on the E36. If you watched the video about everything wrong with the E36, this was one of the things that was wrong with it that's been bothering me, and I finally got around to ordering the stuff to do it, which is all these rock chips. So we're gonna attempt to fix these rock chips. I don't know how it's gonna go. But we did order this kit from Paint Scratch. I don't know if it was paintscratch.com or whatever it was, but this is where I ordered it from. The one kit I bought was just for the touch-ups. Let's see, got the paint coat on there. This is the paint pen. This is a clear coat pen. Then they gave us some stuff, wax and grease remover, and I don't know why I need this, but we'll figure that out. Thinner and stuff like that. I guess if you get some overspray and whatnot. That's what we're gonna use to tackle the rock chips. Then this is the other piece of the kit that I ordered. We're gonna try to spray the wing ourselves. I mentioned it in the Everything Wrong video. Also, we got an LTW wing for this car. I'm not gonna take it out of the box because it's all packaged up right now, but I'll throw it on the screen right now. This is what it's gonna look like. Hopefully, we're gonna attempt to paint it ourselves because it was about $100 for that kit, and some of the quotes I've gotten have been about $400, $500, $600. So we're gonna take a chance for $100. Try to make it as bright as possible so we can see everything here. So all this stuff, all like rock chips and stuff, there's some on the hood and whatnot. This is what we're focusing on today, and then we're gonna deal with the wing at a different time because this garage is a mess. I'm thinking of spraying it in the garage, but I gotta do some cleaning up so we don't get dust all up in the paint. Now I'm not expecting this to look 100% or like factory or like a repaint, but I'm hoping it looks better than it does now, because right now it just looks like the front's always dirty. Just looks like it got peppered with like dirt or dried mud or whatever, and kind of bother me. So hopefully this makes it look better. And really, worst case scenario, I could always take this panel off, buy another one of these kits, and respray it. I think it might come out all right. I want to keep this on the lower effort side because the car body isn't 100% in the first place, so it doesn't need to go crazy with it. Like I was saying, it's just to get rid of like the main rock chips or like the white spots all over the front. So gonna time lapse this hopefully and wish me luck. All right, so this is actually the next day. I decided I'm gonna let all this paint sit for like a day. Well, probably overkill a day for the amount of that I did. But I was gonna let it sit so it could completely dry. Then the camera just died. But I was considering letting it sit a day, then possibly give it a second coat in some spots, then do the little clear coat pen maybe after waiting another day or so. I don't know. But I'm actually happy with how it looks at the moment. Now let me explain. It's not perfect, but it's good enough actually. So like I always say, this car has 221,000 miles on it, and there's other issues with it, and the paint's never gonna be perfect. Kind of reminded me of this, now that I'm thinking about it. That was supposed to be black. That was all overspray from one of those Black & Decker like interior house painter things when we painted cabinets, but that's all overspray, and that kind of was how this looked. Now, let's just talk quick about this. The company was Paint Scratch. I think it was paintscratch.com or whatever. So I went with this company because they also had that little spray paint rattle can kit that I'm going to use eventually for the LTW wing that goes in the back of this car. But I got to do some cleaning up in the garage, or maybe like try to clean up the shed and use the shed as my little spray booth. I wanted to go with one company that just had everything. I mean, it was one of the ones that popped up on the Google search. You'll find it easily. Pen was pretty good, but it started acting a little funny. Maybe it was user error. Maybe it's the pen. I don't know. Just my experience with it. But hopefully those spray paints work out awesome. That's why we got it once again. But so I'm gonna shut up now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess fixing rock chips. If you didn't know how to fix rock chips, now you do. There's different method. I believe they have different kits, not just this little pen one. They have ones that actually have like a little paintbrush. I mean, you could probably use a little paintbrush with that, but you want to color match your paint. Don't just go get nail polish or whatever. Don't do that. Get something that is your paint code. It's very easy. You could look up the paint code, I believe, through the VIN on your car. So if you're not sure, or you could look up your year, make, model, and then just type in black or whatever color, and they'll give you a list of options, and then you could probably pick out which one was yours by memory, or if you kept your window sticker and whatnot. Whatever. I'm gonna shut up now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, share the video. If you learned anything, leave it down below. If you like this, if you think it looks like crap, let me know. If you think it looks good, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.